how to make Instagram story on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Instagram story on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com to enter the official website of PicsArt. Make sure you are logged into your account here. On this interface, you will find a search icon just ahead of your profile picture at the upper right corner. Click on that search and you will enter this page. Here you will find various tools and design options at the top of the screen. Here hover your cursor to that design option next to Batch Editor and below you will find various template makers. From this list you can find Instagram Story Maker at the bottom of the social media headings. Click on that option and you will be directed to a new page. Here click on Create an Instagram Story Now option. Once you click on it, you will now enter to the editing space. On the editing space, you will find various templates at the left side of the screen. Scroll down and find the one that you like. Once you find the template you are interested in, double click on it to bring it to your canvas. And now from here you can edit further. Also by clicking on that elements on the right side, you can edit text and other elements of this template. So in this way you can make Instagram story on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.